English dictation 100 words per minute. Start. Sir, the present provision of the electricity law, the two law that we have the Indian Electricity Act of 1910, which deals with the right of the license, and the Electricity Supply Act of 1984, which defines the role of the Central Electricity Authority and the state electricity boards, as amended from time to time, does not provide for transmission to be an exclusive and separate entity as against generation and distribution, which could be an exclusive entity. In the Act for Transmission, there are no provisions for a independent organization. Therefore, as the present law provide transmission line can only be provided along with generation by a generating company or similar law. Voltage sub transmission line can be provided along with distribution by a license of distribution system. This bill seek to define transmission as a separate activity and permits private sector participation exclusively in the field of transmission. As a license, the government had set up an expert group under the chairmanship of Sri Shankar Guruswamy. The group submitted its report last year and it has the guidelines for private investment in transmission and distribution. This bill has by and large come out of the recommendations of that expert group. Therefore, focusing on the bill and focusing on the transmission aspect of the power scanro, we have about 1,10,000 circuit kilometer worth of extra high voltage, that is 400 kilovolts and 220 kilovolts of account transmission lines, and about 17 circuit kilometers of high voltage DC transmission lines of 500 kilovolts. There are plans to go to the next higher level because losses would be much less. The next higher level is 765 kilovolts AC. I do not know when the project is gone to start sooner. We go to the higher level better it is. I know money is required for that. Coming to the specific aspect of the bill, it is a well accepted fact, and the Shankar Guruswamy report highlights it, that transmission is a natural monopoly and it should remain a state monopoly. Transmission activity should not be handed over to a private sector organization. Therefore, what is being shouted is that we will have central level transmission utility and a state level transmission utility.